I'm Oni. What's good, everybody? So, I want to start watching news and stuff, and just wanted to give some commentary and find out what's going on in the world. So, yeah, let's take a watch of this.
From monsoon season to COVID concerns, we are all dealing with so much right now, and keeping our home and our family safe is top of mind. This is Tim Smith from Dry Force Restoration Specialist, and you're here to tell us how we can keep viruses out of our home. How does Dry Force do that?
So as you can see behind us, we have a clean chambers.
Isn't it kind of funny that there's like in some random family's home, you just see a random family picture in the back? It's like, no, neither of you guys are in that picture. I'm just playing.
We can set these up anywhere from your home, school, or business.
A clean chamber. So what is that exactly?
So I'll show you here in a second, but basically you want to enter this and sanitize and disinfect before you enter wherever you're going.
All right, so we're going to put some masks on because we're going to go inside this clean chamber, and you're going to do a fogging treatment in there as well.
Exactly.
All right, so you're going to teach us how this all works. Okay.
Absolutely.
Let's put the mask on and let's go. Okay, so Tim, we're inside the so-called clean room. What is in here?
So we've got a place for you to disinfect your shoes to keep yourself from bringing anything from outside, as well as the hand sanitizer here.
And it looks like you guys have taped up this space. This is important.
Yes, it is, because now we've got this room completely airtight once we close the zippers, and we can keep anything that may have been contaminated inside this room.
All right, so this is the front door of this home.
Question: does that include your clothing? Does that include your clothing? Just wondering.
Why would a homeowner want to set up a clean room?
Well, basically, if you're having anybody come over and you think anyone may have been exposed or just don't know, we can set these up, and before they enter, they can disinfect, and then they can enter your home and be safe.
And you guys come back out too. Once you set the clean room up, you follow up with us.
Yes, we do. We can come back as many times as you need us to. Right now, we're mainly doing it once a week.
Okay, and you don't just do homes.
Right, we don't just do homes. We can do your vehicle. We can do businesses and schools. We have set up.
Yeah. As I continue with this play, it's like, this looks like a good pimp game being ran on people right now. You guys just gotta make sure you wash your hands. Don't touch your face. That is the main disinfectant. That's the main disinfectant. Just don't touch your face. Just wash everything. Wash your hands. And you're good. Just don't touch your face. And obviously the mask helps when you talk about, not getting spit on, somebody's face. You gotta be careful though, because when you touch your face trying to adjust the mask, and then, you potentially can touch areas on your face that can, lead to the infection, penetrating inside your body. But other than that, just keep it simple.
Clean chambers for schools. For all the children or kids to enter properly and safely.
All right, so let's zip these up, because what we're about to do is do a demonstration. You offer what's called a fogging system as well. And why would someone need the fogging system?
Well, because they're...
My goodness, fog system. And by the way, I almost want to put some money on it. I'm pretty sure this whole whatever thing he has up on the wall there, I'm pretty sure it's going to cost more than $100. Just... I would dare to put money on that. It's going to cost you more than $100 for something that silly.
All these materials in here, and you can't clean them all by hand, at least efficiently as you can with a fogger.
Okay, so let's do the demonstration first.
Sure.
So you've just come in, and what's the first thing we do?
So, first thing you do, obviously step in here, go ahead and just kind of clean your shoes off a little bit, and then you can use your hand sanitizer.
All right, so now you're going to show us how to do this fogging treatment, and you'll come back out and take care of this.
Correct. So here's our fogger. It does have viricide inside of it. So this will kill any virus that it can touch.
Is it safe for families? Because there's folks out there with pets and kids.
Absolutely. It's safe for people, safe for pets.
All right.
Not so much for any kind of bacteria or virus.
You said it's more of a smell.
Hold up. Hold up. Question. There are some good bacteria that help you kind of balance out your life. You gotta You gotta ask yourself, the viricide sounds very powerful. Is this guy just gonna be destroying all bacteria, all the above, or just, sickness kind? I don't know how you delineate that. I don't know. Maybe you guys, anybody watching this, put this in the comments, man, if you know any more about that, because I don't know. I'm just wondering. It sounds a little too powerful.
It does have a scent to it. I mean, there are many different kinds we can get. Whatever scent you like the best, we can go and get.
All right, so you're going to...
Scents. From my research and knowledge, I know that when perfumes or whatever, and you got different scents in them, smells, whatever, that usually is very artificial. And when you get artificial, you get not very healthy. I don't know. These are questions you would have to ask this guy. But I also recommend don't pay for this.
Start this fogging system, but before you do that, because once the fog and the mist happens, we want to make sure that we are safe.
Correct.
What else does Dry Force do in addition to keeping our home safe from viruses?
Well, right now, anytime we come out, even if you have the smallest water bubble on your paint, to where your home is covered in water.
All right, so let's start that fogging system.
All right, so it is a little loud, so hold on.
All right.
Now, as you can see, it smells really lovely, doesn't it?
Lovely, that's a good term for it.
Absolutely. So
Oh, she's thinking something else. She's thinking something else.
you can see that it has actually hit this. So, I mean, just once over like that, it's already disinfected 100%.
Oh, that makes people feel so good.
I feel like that's like... this like some type of hand sanitizer wipes or something, or a Clorox wipe, and just spraying it everywhere. I feel like it's usually those wipes are supposed to be just on the surface that you're trying to target, not just freaking in the atmosphere everywhere.
Because peace of mind right now is exactly what you want to provide for people.
As well as health.
That's right, as health. All right, well, thank you so much, Tim. We know you have a lot more to do to keep us all safe. We want to give you a special offer from Dry Force Restoration Specialists. Right now, the first 10 callers will get a 10% discount. Call Dry Force 24 hours a day.
Yeah, and they're not putting down the price, so I don't know. I understand maybe you got some type of whatever small enclosure, they got to measure it down or something, but I'm putting money down where it's gonna cost you more than $100. Don't spend that kind of money. It's ridiculous. But stay safe, guys. Make sure you just do not touch your face and keep clean. And this was fun. So with that being said, I'm on you guys.